In this video, we will unbox, build, and review the LEGO Technic John Deere 9620R 4-wheel drive tractor. Here's a little information about this LEGO tractor set while we look at some of the pictures printed on the box. The John Deere 9620R set is a part of the LEGO Technic theme. The set number is 42136 and includes 390 pieces. The age range on the box is 8+. We're going to share what's inside the box of this set. This set includes 4 label printed bags and 2 building instruction books. The set also includes printed stickers with the John Deere branding. The 4 tires are the only loose parts outside of the bags. We are going to begin the build with the front and main part of the chassis. The front parts will help to mount the front wheels and serve as a frame for the engine compartment and cab. Toward the rear, you'll see a gear setup. This includes a part that's able to rotate freely. This gear setup will be a part of the articulated steering. The articulated steering is an interesting feature that's included with this set. The real John Deere 9620R 4-wheel drive tractor also has articulated steering. To give an idea about the scale of this tractor, we're going to go through some of the stats for the John Deere 9620R 4-wheel drive tractor. Although it may be unlikely, the 9620R could be referred to as the 9R620. The 9 in the 9620R identifies that the machine is a John Deere 9 Series tractor. The R represents that it is a premium setup within that series. The 620 represents that it is marketed with its rated horsepower, which is 620 horsepower. The 9 Series, including the 9620R, are the largest tractors offered by John Deere. The engine in the 9620R is a Cummins QSX-15 diesel. This diesel engine is an inline 6-cylinder. The displacement of the engine is 14.9 liters or 912 cubic inches. As mentioned, the rated engine power is 620 horsepower. John Deere listed the peak torque at 1600 RPM at 2800 Newton meters or 3800 pound-feet of torque. The rated power for the PTO or power takeoff is 335 horsepower. The tractor has an 18-speed transmission. The fuel tank capacity for this diesel tractor is 1,514 liters or 400 gallons. Here are a few of the maintenance capacities for the John Deere 9620 tractor. The crankcase oil for this engine is 43.5 liters, 11.49 gallons, or 45.97 quarts. The recommended engine oil change is set at every 400 engine hours. The diesel exhaust fluid or DEF tank is 83 liters or 22 gallons. The cooling system is 62 liters or 16.3 gallons. Now let's get back to the LEGO 9620R tractor set. The build continued to progress well. As with many LEGO Technic sets, this included a lot of small parts. Many of those small parts are connectors, such as the blue and red connectors in this set. As you would expect with the quality of LEGO, the gears used work well for the articulated steering. When some of the larger green body pieces were set in place, they defined the shape of the tractor. The cab and roof assembly went together well. It's worth noting that the steering wheel is able to tilt. LEGO often includes a piece for an exhaust pipe on their tractors. The details for this air intake and exhaust pipe were nicely done. The included tires have large chevron-style treads that give them a tractor tire look. The yellow wheels along with the tires help to identify this green tractor as definitively a John Deere. As a side note, the real John Deere 9620 tractor can have dual or even triple tires at each corner. Next, we will begin work with the trailer provided with this set. The yellow color of this trailer is consistent with the John Deere construction machinery branding. And although it is not specifically an agricultural implement, it's a great addition considering the price range for this set. The build of the trailer also progressed smoothly. The frame of the trailer allows it to be hitched in the front to the tractor. Although the trailer is unsprung, the frame allows the wheels on each side to be tilted independently of each other. The trailer also features parts that allow the entire bed to be tilted at an angle to unload the cargo. In this view, we can see the trailer rotated without the stickers. Now here's the trailer with the stickers. In this view, we can see the tractor rotated without the stickers. Now here's the tractor with the stickers. As mentioned, the trailer can be hooked up to the tractor with the hitch. When connected, the trailer can then be pulled with the tractor. As seen, the articulated steering can help with the overall steering radius. Here's another view of the trailer bed being lifted and lowered. Here's a closer view of the trailer parts when the bed is lifted and lowered. Here's a LEGO minifigure added to show the scale of this tractor. Please keep in mind that this set is LEGO Technic and does not include a minifigure in the box. As seen, tilting the steering wheel allows the minifigure to fit in the cab. The seat would need modifications to hold the minifigure in place, but the roof is able to fit over it. Just as easy as the trailer can be connected, it can also be disconnected from the hitch. Here is a closer view of the disconnect. Overall, I think this is a great set that fans of John Deere and LEGO will appreciate. I think this is a great introduction to LEGO Technic sets. The set also fits well with this channel because it is consistent with my interest in machinery, transportation, and tractors. This concludes the build of the LEGO John Deere 9620R tractor. We are very happy to share this video with you, and there will be more videos to follow. I had so much enthusiasm building this kit that I couldn't wait to take it outside. Here are some images of the tractor on soil. Thank you for watching.